they just answer the thing that comes up to their mind first. So even though we are asking about the nuclear program, they are probably thinking about the most recent provocation by North Korea and also Chinese government reaction to it. Well, the 2010 annual survey was done after Cheonan, but before the Yanping Island. And in 2011, well, we know what happened in both those two events and how the Chinese government reacted toward those two incidents. So, but I would like to emphasize that, well, it has nothing to do with the six-point talks. Who was leading it? And who was, but maybe people, if we asked us the same question like 5 years ago, and probably the Korean government would answer the US is responsible. But it was quite a remote memory for them. And nowadays, come to think of not the six-point talks, not the nuclear program, it's about North Korea. So when they think about North Korea, what's who is responsible for the tension? And then the answer comes up, of course North Korea is responsible for that, but the next most responsible country is China.
Dr. Wu posed the question. I think I'll reform your question. It's not if the North Koreans do something provocative again, it's when the North Koreans do something provocative. I think we can guarantee they're going to do something again. Especially if after the Cheonan incident, the result is friction between U.S. and China, friction between China and South Korea, an impact on your approval rating of the president and the minister of defense that's replaced. If these are the results of North Korean provocation and actions, you can only guarantee one thing. They're going to determine that it's in their best interest to do it again, because those are favorable outcomes for North Korea. And I think that's why we saw Yongbyon, that it concluded after Cheonan that, wow, this was actually pretty good, worked out pretty